Good morning, students. Today we will learn treatment of opening journal entry. See, basically there are two types of business units. Uh, those who have started their business recently and already established business. So if there will be any newly started business, so their first transaction will be business started with cash and their journal entry will be cash account debit to capital. And sometimes if there is any already established business, okay, so in that particular case, you will be given few opening balances. So with the help of those opening balances, you will pass opening journal entry. Okay, opening journal entry like cash. And how you will pass opening journal entry? You have to debit all assets and you have to credit all liabilities. So suppose amount of cash is 5,000. So cash account will be debited by 5,000 and bank account will be debited by 10,000. There is a stock also. So stock account will be debited by 20,000 and furniture is also there and that is also one of the assets. So we have to debit furniture. Furniture account will be debited by 50,000. Then machinery is also one of the asset and we have to debit machinery also. So machinery account will be debited by 40,000 and there are few debtors. So you will write name of those debtors like Ramesh is one of the debtor. So Ramesh will be debited by 5,000 and another debtor is Sanjay. So Sanjay will be debited by 10,000. So apart from these assets, so we have few liabilities also, and you know all liabilities will be credited. So to loan account 10,000, and apart from loan, we have few creditors also to X 5,000 and to Y 10,000. Okay. Now we will take balances and capital will be uh, one of the balancing figure to capital account. So like this, our capital will come 1,15,000 and very simple narration will come being opening balances brought forward. Now, question will arise in your mind ki how we will write treatment in ledger account from this particular journal entry. So first of all, we have to create ledger on the basis of this particular journal entry. So we have to prepare cash account, bank account, okay, and stock account, stock account, then furniture account, then machinery account, Ramesh account, Sanjay's account, loan account, X's account, Y's account, and capital account. So for capital account, I don't have sufficient place. So now there are few assets and few liabilities. So balance of assets will come in debit side like this. Balance of cash will come to balance brought down and only amount of cash will come which is 5,000. Same way in bank account to balance brought down and only amount of bank will come that is rupees 10,000. In stock to balance brought down rupees 20,000. Okay. In furniture to balance brought down rupees 50,000. In machinery to balance brought down rupees 40,000. Ramesh to balance brought down amount of Ramesh will come which is 5,000. Sanjay to balance brought down amount of Sanjay will come, which is 10,000. And loan is our one of the liabilities. So opening balance will come in credit side, buy balance brought down, and amount of loan will come, which is 10,000. X is also one of the creditor. So treatment will come in credit side, buy balance brought down, and amount will come 5,000. And Y, buy balance brought down 10,000. So like this, we will write treatment with the help of opening journal entry. So all the assets will be debited and all the liabilities will be credited. Okay.